The Doctors Are In. Nasa Pilipinas na ang well-loved series na naging chart topping sa US, Korea, Taiwan at Thailand. Ang The Good Doctor. Hatid din ng M-Quest at line produced naman ng Creation Studios. Star-studded ang cast top billed by Inigo Pascual.
It was actually my dad who told me that they were doing a remake of this. And I mean, who could say no to a project like this?
Acting comeback din ito ni Dabarkad's Ryan Agoncillo. Challenge daw ito kay Ryan na matatakutin sa dugo.
Tinatanong namin si Direk, gaano ka-extreme ba yung mga kukunang eksena? Ang pinagkasunduan namin ni Inigo, we're gonna have to have a safe word or a safe action if we're about to faint, just so magsaluhan tayo.
Tatalakayin sa kapatid serye ang mga realidad sa health industry sa bansa.
I'm excited for it dahil mas magiging Pinoy yung story. We're gonna add a lot of Filipino elements.
This December na magsisimula ang production ng The Good Doctor. Abangan yan soon sa TV5. Kung may magsisimula, meron ding magtatapos. Last 2 episodes na ng kapatid reality dating game show na Love on the Clock. Magkakaalaman na kung sino sa daters ang match para sa isa't isa. But not without the drama. May confrontation, iyakan, agawan, at aminan ng feelings. Host dyan sina Don Chang at Juancho Trevino. Panoorin ang Love on the Clock Saturdays 9:15 p.m. sa TV5. Nagbabalita mula sa Frontline, MJ Marfori, News 5.